6 exercises you need to stop doing immediately. There are literally hundreds of workouts that may be done with or without equipment or props. With all the effort we put in to get fit, in shape, and grow muscle, wouldn't it be good to know which exercises are the most effective? When it comes to being strong or gaining muscle, certain exercises are completely ineffective. Certain exercises, on the other hand, have the potential to cause injury or early wear and strain on your body. We'll go through a list of workouts that you should eliminate from your life for good in order to achieve the greatest and safest outcomes. Number 1. Chest fly. It's difficult to comprehend the amount of pressure that practicing that chest fly places on the chest tendons and rotator cuff. The rotator cuff is constantly in danger of being ripped. It may also strengthen the pectoral muscles, but the possibility of them being ripped are quite high. Instead of a full session, use it as a warm-up. You can replace it with dips and push-up variations. 2. Barbell jump squats. Weighted plyometric workouts like the barbell jump squat may come to mind if you want to tone your glutes and legs. However, while doing movements like these with a barbell, you tend to add too much weight, which can cause strain on your back and joints. Simply learning the bodyweight jump squat or modifying the weight placement can make a significant difference in the way you move and will save you a lot of discomfort. Instead, we propose bodyweight squat jumps, box jumps, and dumbbell jump squats. 3. Wide grip lat pull down. This motion, which is common at the gym, puts your shoulder health in danger. Lat pull downs cause the shoulder rotator cuff to spin externally, which is not intended, putting your shoulder in a particularly sensitive position. You can just replace it with basic pull-ups. 4. Bicep curl machine. The bicep curl machine does not provide the entire range of motion that a weighted curl provides. Furthermore, it might lead to problems with posture and form. A classic bicep curl with dumbbells improves your posture by keeping your shoulders back and down with your upper body's only action coming from your forearms. 5. Upright rows. Although upright rows efficiently target the shoulders, they also squeeze the nerves as the weight is lifted towards the chin. With too much weight and too many reps, this exercise is a recipe for rotator cuff damage. Straight arm raises and resistance band pull apart are 2 workouts that are considerably safer and more effective for your shoulders. 6. Russian twists. Russian twists may provide the appearance of cinching, but they are ineffective if performed incorrectly. Russian twists and its variants are harmful unless performed in a sport due to the strain they place on your lumbar discs. Exercises that require the core to function statically, such as squats, lunges, and planks, are preferable. Well, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.